Another e-ride, folks. Welcome to Oregon Motorcycle. Bringing it to you, coming to you straight out of Portland. Ooh-wee. It's another beautiful Friday evening here in P-Town. Folks, we're off to the next destination. We're going downtown, baby. So this sprocket is just eating up my battery. It's weird how the bigger sprocket eats up the battery quicker. 82% already. Shit, they got margaritas here? Alrighty, folks, just stopped here at Pepino's Mexican Grill. Tasty beverage. I ate before I came to the ride, so we're gonna meet up with the rest of the crew. We're here in Portland. It's pretty awesome. Lots of people walking around. A little after 9 o'clock. Sun's trying to go down. What's your percentage? 85? Mine's at 79. Well, it's just sprocket. Alright guys, we are at the Growler guys, at the Growler guys, and we are getting ready to go on the third leg here. There's just a bunch of people everywhere, as you can see. This is an awesome ride. This is probably one of the better ones I've been on. It is totally awesome. Woo! Hope you guys are enjoying this episode. It's been a blast. If you guys are liking this content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, all that good stuff. Met some new people on this ride. There is 3 talarias. There was like 4 or 5 surrons. So it's pretty cool, Getting ready to do some dirt riding now, but there won't be that much footage because the GoPros don't do that well when it's pitch black. So hopefully the footage now is coming out good. I hope.